how to log into Nationwide online banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign in or log in to the Nationwide online banking account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to sign into Nationwide online banking account, you can do so via the app or the website. So if you're using website, you can go to nationwide.co.uk and then you're gonna land on this page where from the top right hand side you'll find the login button. So make sure to tap the login option here. Now if you don't have an account, just in case, you can tap on register for internet banking, or we have also created a tutorial on how you can sign up for internet banking. But assuming you already have your digital banking account, you can tap on the login to internet bank option over here, and as you've done that, you'll be taken to this page where you have to simply enter your username like a customer number. It's like a username for when you log in. You must have set this up during the sign up process. Once done, you can enter your date of birth and you can choose to remember it. Tap on continue option and then make sure to enter your other details, and then you'll be successfully logged into your Nationwide account. This way you'll be able to log into Nationwide online banking. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.